So for the next 2 days, the northern lights will be visible over the United States tonight, and yes, you may have a couple chances to see its display. Sadly, the next few days is supposed to be cloudy, so I won't have a chance to see it because, of course, that's what the weather says. It's supposed to be cloudy. It's not going to be clear at all next. It wasn't. It was also raining yesterday as well. It has been a long time since geomagnetic activity has been strong enough to bring the northern lights into the U.S. in a significant way. However, less than 2 weeks after NASA announced the sun was moving away from solar minimum and officially began a new solar cycle starting in December 2019, will gain an official spot to Aurora Borealis in the U.S. The Space Weather Prediction Center has announced that Z1 and Z2 geomagnetic storm watches from nights to September 27th to September 29th. These watches are a measure of solar activity within Earth's atmosphere to the over the U.S. Other Z1 magnetic storm conditions are likely to continue throughout time, and watch model of Coronal Hole is expected to be on September 29, further enhancing solar wind conditions. D2 moderate storm watch has been issued for September 29. Okay, that is a lot of information about Coronal Hole, but for casual observer, the important part is the northern lights will be further south than you can see. And yes, the northern lights can be seen, I think, as south as Chicago. Yes, I think as south as Chicago here, and yes. But the problem is, it's supposed to be cloudy though, so you can't really see it, so. The map above, potential here is still tricky to find your city on the map in the small, but alert during Z1 period as well as south of the green line, so that is here, the green line, which is the one where you can see it. But during the Z1 alert period, you'll be looking at south of the green line, so basically in northern Idaho, Iowa, Maine, Michigan, Minnesota, Montana, New Hampshire, New York, yeah, there you go. So you won't be able to see it anyway. So this is all of Alaska and Canada, who the lights are actually exactly able occurrence in Alaska and Northern Canada. Here. The video you can watch the sense of Aurora Borealis will look like during Z1 watch. And Z1 watch on the solar surface, you'll find these ice from Sweden, but the display is now less moving. And there you go, the northern lights, and having dancing in Norway for 6 hours due to a geomagnetic storm. Here's a short video of what we saw tonight. And yeah, how do you see the northern lights? Basically, in the 3-day forecast, we say it's very Z1 alert. And basically, Z2 alert basically means, yeah, that's there. Northern lights are only visible when it's dark, so earlier areas are not much used to it. So yes, for the best view, you need to get away from white pools. It's much harder than you realize. You know, other can see or in the city where major hubs such as Chicago and Detroit. The further you away from city lights, the better your chances. So yep, you need very clear skies and a good view of the northern horizons. It needs to be dark, and it also needs to not be cloudy, I think, as well. You like to be visible alongside the northern horizon rather than directly overhead. You need real cooperative rather than unobstructed view to the north. On key to crossing the incredible display on the bucket list is persistence and patience. Once you're in a spot of choice, you need to be patient and keep your eyes in the sky. It's not just one road where it won't be soon, likewise you won't see it. So yep, there we go. The Aurora Borealis will be appearing in the United States over tonight and tomorrow. So that's basically it about this video. Good night. Goodbye. Not night.